Hey there, grooming enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you. We're going to dive deep into the best beard trimmers of 2023. We've scoured the market, read the reviews, and tested these bad boys out ourselves to give you the most detailed breakdown possible. So, if you're in the market for a new beard trimmer, stick around because we've got some fantastic options lined up. Braun Series 7, 7440. Alright, first up, we have the Braun Series 7 7440. This trimmer has garnered significant attention within the grooming community, and the reasons for its popularity are abundantly clear. What truly sets it apart is its exceptional precision, thanks to cutting-edge technology that delivers a flawlessly even trim. Whether you're going for a neat stubble or a well-defined beard, this trimmer has got you covered. What's impressive about this Braun Series 7 7440 is its versatility. It arrives equipped with a comprehensive set of attachments, catering to a wide spectrum of beard styles. Ergonomics are another area where the Braun Series 7 7440 excels. Its thoughtful design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to trim your beard with ease and precision. No more fumbling or straining your hand during your grooming routine. And let's not forget about the convenience factor. This trimmer is waterproof, making it a breeze to clean. You can simply rinse it under the tap without worrying about damaging the device. That means less time spent on maintenance and more time enjoying your impeccably groomed beard. Lopeie. Now let's take a closer look at the Lopeie beard trimmer for men, an all-in-one grooming kit that's making waves in the world of men's grooming. What sets the Lopeie beard trimmer apart is its versatility and comprehensive grooming capabilities. This kit is designed to be an all-inclusive solution for men's grooming needs, and it doesn't disappoint. Its IPX7 waterproof rating is a game-changer when it comes to maintenance. You no longer need to worry about cleaning hair clippings or residue. Simply rinse it under running water, and you're good to go. It's a time saver that any busy man can appreciate. Plus, the Lopeie beard trimmer isn't just for facial hair. It's a true multi-purpose tool. It includes attachments and settings for beard trimming, facial grooming, nose hair trimming, and even body shaving. This kit is a one-stop solution for all your grooming needs, eliminating the need for multiple devices cluttering your bathroom counter. And when it comes to performance, this trimmer is no slouch. It's equipped with powerful hair clippers that provide a clean and precise cut. Whether you're going for a close shave or a more intricate beard style, the Lopeie beard trimmer can handle it. It's designed to be user-friendly even for those new to grooming. For MANSCAPED. Now let's turn our attention to the MANSCAPED, the Beard Hedger Premium Men's Beard Trimmer. This trimmer is engineered to cater specifically to your facial hair grooming needs, and it does so with precision and style. The Beard Hedger TM is a standout choice for those who demand top-notch performance and are passionate about maintaining a well-groomed beard. One of the key features that sets this trimmer apart is its 20-length adjustable blade wheel. This level of customization allows you to dial in the exact beard length you desire with incredible accuracy. Whether you prefer a short stubble, a full beard, or anything in between, the Beard Hedger has you covered. The stainless steel T-blade is another standout feature. It's designed for precision facial hair trimming, ensuring that you can create sharp lines, clean edges, and perfect contours. This level of precision is particularly valuable if you're into detailed beard styling or maintaining a specific look. Another most significant advantages of the Beard Hedger TM is its cordless design, which provides the freedom to groom without being tethered to an outlet. This makes it convenient for both home and travel use. Additionally, it's fully waterproof, so you can use it in the shower for added convenience or easily rinse it under the tap for a quick cleanup. Ufree. Now, let's delve into the Ufree Beard Trimmer for Men, a versatile grooming tool that offers a comprehensive solution for men's grooming needs. This trimmer is designed to be a multifunctional companion for maintaining your facial hair and beyond, making it an excellent choice for those seeking an all-in-one grooming solution. First thing first, It comes in a cordless design, providing you with the freedom to groom without being tethered to an outlet. This feature is particularly convenient for those who prefer to groom on the go or need a trimmer for travel purposes. Adjustability is another notable feature of this trimmer. It comes with settings that allow you to achieve different beard lengths and styles effortlessly. This flexibility ensures that you can maintain your desired look with ease, whether you're going for a short, stubbly beard or a longer, more defined style. When it comes to performance, the Ufree beard trimmer doesn't disappoint. Its motor is designed to provide a clean and precise cut, saving you time and effort during your grooming routine. It's user-friendly, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced groomers. This trimmer is also an excellent choice for those looking to give a thoughtful gift to a special man in their life. With its versatility and convenience, it makes for a practical and thoughtful birthday or special occasion gift. Now, let's turn our attention to the PRITECH Hair Trimmer for Men, a versatile and rechargeable grooming tool designed to make home haircuts and beard maintenance a breeze. This trimmer is a reliable choice for those seeking a convenient and multifunctional grooming solution. This comes in a chargeable design, eliminating the need for disposable batteries and saving you money in the long run. With a full charge, you can enjoy extended grooming sessions without worrying about the trimmer running out of power. This trimmer is not limited to just beard grooming. It's a complete home haircut kit. It includes attachments and settings for both haircutting and beard trimming, making it a versatile tool for maintaining your overall appearance. Whether you're looking to trim your beard or give yourself a haircut, the PRITECH trimmer has the functionality you need. Waterproofing is another standout feature of this trimmer. It's designed to be fully waterproof, allowing you to use it in the shower for added convenience or easily rinse it under running water for effortless cleaning. This makes maintenance a breeze, as you can keep your trimmer in top-notch condition without any hassle. This PRITECH hair trimmer also boasts a compact and ergonomic design, ensuring a comfortable grip and easy maneuverability while grooming. It's user-friendly, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Platinum Pro. Finally, let's take a closer look at the Platinum Pro by MANSCAPED, a state-of-the-art body grooming kit that leaves no grooming need unaddressed. This grooming powerhouse is designed for the modern man who seeks the ultimate grooming experience and precision. This one stands out for its advanced lithium max battery, providing long-lasting power for extended grooming sessions. The Platinum Pro is not just a body groomer, it's a complete grooming arsenal. It includes a ball groomer and body trimmer, making it versatile enough to handle various grooming tasks with ease. Whether you need to trim your chest, back, groin, or any other area, this grooming kit has the tools to do it efficiently. And included with the Platinum Pro is an extra foil, which is a valuable addition. Foils are an essential component of electric shavers, and having a spare ensures that you can maintain optimal shaving performance for an extended period. For those who appreciate organization, the Platinum Pro comes with a storage case, keeping all your grooming essentials neatly organized and ready for use. No more rummaging through drawers or cabinets to find your grooming tools. So, there you have it. Our detailed rundown of the best beard trimmers for 2023. We've covered a range of options, from budget-friendly to premium, so there's something for everyone. Remember, the links to purchase these trimmers are in the video description below, so go ahead and find the one that suits your needs best.